Guys, so today I'm going to take you on a tour of our bonus room and playroom. I love these types of videos on YouTube, so I'm super excited to share. Okay, so the way it works in a lot of homes in North Carolina is we have our main living area, but instead of a formal living area, we have a bonus room. And ours is upstairs right on the landing of the stairs. And this historically always served as our playroom, but it was kind of just a hodgepodge of stuff. Hand-me-down furniture, we never really loved the space. So here's how we recently decorated it on a super small budget and how we keep it organized. The first thing I wanted to do was personalize this space, and I found some DIY canvas prints for 80% off. I'm gonna link the site down below in case there's still a sale going on. I also made the prints black and white so it wouldn't feel too overwhelming, which tied into our new couches. These were actually given to us by a friend, which was so generous. And we were able to stack in some pillows that we already had, and I picked up a few new pillows from Kirkland's on sale. And I tied down kind of the black and white theme so it would look more cohesive. Now we've got the train table that the kids absolutely love using. I got it for 15 bucks online, and this is the first space that you see when you come up the stairs. So I put some really cute poofs in front of it. The kids love to sit on them, but it kind of blocks the train table. It's a little bit ugly, but we do use it all the time, so I couldn't get rid of it. Let's talk window treatments, which can get really expensive. The panels that I found are extra long. They were $10 for 2 panels. So I have a window covering, but it feels really sheer and gauzy and lets in a lot of light. I will link them down below because it is very insane that we did 2 of these windows for $20. We try to organize as little as possible. We do, however, have systems to help keep it organized. And the first trick that I stinkin' love is to move the couches away from the wall and use the behind area as storage for all of the stuff. That way the kids can get to it, but you can kind of hide it when you don't want to see the room, especially if this is a room that's like serving as your main living area. I love our cube shelf. It came from Costco and included the baskets. And I have picture labels on the front because that way the kids can actually put stuff back. I don't care what the bins look like as long as sets of toys stay together. And then I kind of have the dress up and little dome climber in the other corner. And y'all, I get so many questions about that climber. If I can find it and link it down below, I will. It is the favorite kids toy. Any kid that comes to our house absolutely loves it. These are Dollar Tree little command hooks. The kids love playing with that with their friends. We got rid of over 50% of our toys in the last year, and it has been amazing. What's left is the creative play stuff that the kids are actually using, and I can clean up a room in 5 minutes. That is always my goal, to be able to work quickly, because otherwise you just don't have time. You don't have time. Oh no!
This is Junko, baby.
Owie.
Oh.
If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more rooms of my house, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. I love sharing stuff like this with you guys. I love you. Subscribe if you are brand new, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
Say love you.
I love you. Love you.
So, I love the room. It's awesome. But there might be too many pillows, and this is a consistent theme in our house. Maybe get some B-roll of all the pillows on the beds that we move off the bed and then put back on the bed. Just doesn't really make sense to me. I mean, yeah. I mean, these aren't great as far as like texture, but this is what I would do. Yeah, but it looks great.
Thanks.